the songs you know and can sing along to, no doubt about that. I'm JT. Here we go, Tuesday night. It's the Bangles in Eternal Flame.
Close your eyes, give me your hand. I won't be left.
He actually had an incident where his next door neighbor pooped on the roof of his house. Basically, he claims the next door neighbor had been illegally doing construction for 3+ years. They tried to reason with her and be neighborly. Finally, they kind of broke down and confronted her multiple times on Memorial Day weekend. And then the next day, she snuck into his backyard and crapped on the roof of his house. Now, I don't know, like I said, if this is a good form of revenge, only because, you know, if they don't see it, then it's not really revenge. But I guess it is a good form of revenge, because a decent form of revenge would be to poop on someone's lawn and then they step in it. But a really good type of revenge would be to poop on someone's roof, they don't see it, and then one day it just rolls off and plops you on the head. So I I guess that is a good form of revenge, although 94HJY does not condone pooping on other people's roofs. Got some Incubus coming up your way, double shot actually, after these, 94HJY. And then the wait.
Southern New England.
Going till the sun fell down. You kept it going.
I'm JT, there's the Cars, and you might think, don't forget now, I'm just a click away. I know you're thinking about a song you want to hear tonight, right? Come on, tell me. You can go to our website, look for JT section there at the top, and right there is my email link. White Wedding, Billy Idol starting us up next.
Builder, New England is getting back to work.
Romance, Kia, about...
This could be. For that, no, I think they're going to be testing them routinely in the bubble. You want to...
Let's get this thing going all night.
Come on, one track.
Source from Neighborhood Health.
Good items. Like I made.
Yes, or no, not all.
That they were holding on Thursday was held in a parking lot for an urgent care center, and the father said the city's been amazing. By the way, the suspect, Edgar Samaniego, S-A-M-A-N-I-E-G-O, Saman or Samaniego, he's facing attempted murder charges, battery and gun charges, and he told investigating officers that the shot that he fired that hit Officer Michalonis, he said he was trying to scare protesters and to get them to leave. And he claims that he's unaware that the police were nearby. Listen, you don't use a gun to scare people. It reminds me of the folks that say, well, did you fire a warning shot into the air? In some of the instances of some of the looting and the rioting, and I even heard somebody, I'm trying to remember, was it on social media that somebody had responded to me in regard to the shooting of Brooks? In response to the shooting of Rayshard Brooks in Atlanta in that Wendy's parking lot, folks actually, or at least one individual, why did the police fire a warning shot into the air to, tell them to stop running away? You don't fire warning shots. I mean, what? It's from TV. That's from movies. I mean, for crying out loud, you don't fire warning shots. You don't discharge your weapon unless you're trying to neutralize an individual. Just like you don't pull out a gun to use it as leverage. For all of you concealed carry or even open carry folks in states around the country, you never, when you learn offensive and defensive